gonna do it again.
Kick her ass. I'm gonna hurt you. You're gonna be crying.
So you're the one that's gonna be crying.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Watch your head, Emma.
And we'll knock you out. And then he's gonna knock you out. Stop! I don't have very much.
Stupido.
Quit, you little shit! Let go of my hair. That's it.
She said, don't touch.
You like that? You like that, doggy, huh? You like that? No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on.